Hello everybody, and in this video today I'm going to be teaching you another CSS property, and that property is called the -webkit-box-reflect property. So it's basically like the text reflection I showed you in the last video from last week. So if you haven't seen that, you can go check that out, because both of those videos, both this and that other video, are similar because they both have to do with reflections. So let's get right into the video. So to turn this image here into this right here, we'll have to do -webkit-box-reflect. That's the name of the property, and as you can see, it's deprecated, but don't worry, it should still work on your coding editor because it still works on mine. So you just want to type this or all of this right here, and for its value we want to type below so that it actually reflects below the image. So now we have a solid image reflected right below the original image itself, and we'll space it out by 1 pixel, so there's a gap that is 1 pixels in between them. And then we'll do linear gradient, and we'll do transparent for our first value. For our second, we'll do #0004, and now we get what looks like a reflection. And yeah, that's pretty much all there is for this property. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and drop a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, leave your request down in the comments below and I'll reply back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions as well, leave them in comments below. Have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.